Hey students, welcome to GK class. In this class, we are going to start our next chapter, World War One, and how it began. World wars have been part of human history. Let us learn about the events that led to these wars and other facts related to the wars. The main reason for the World War One is assassination of the royal couple, that is Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria and his wife Sophia are shot to death by the Bosnian Serb nationalists during an official visit to the Bosnian capital of Sarajevo on June 28, 1914. The killing sparked a chain of events that led to the outbreak of World War. July 28, 1914, Gavrilo Princip assassinated or killed Franz Ferdinand. On July 28, 1914, Austria-Hungary declares war on Serbia. August 2, 1914, Ottoman Empire and Germany signed a secret treaty of alliance. August 3, 1914, Germany declares war on France. On August 4, 1914, Germany invades Belgium, leading Britain to declare war on Germany. On August 10, 1914, Austria-Hungary invades Russia. As the war progressed, further acts of aggression drew other countries, including United States, into the conflict. Many others, including Australia, India, and most African colonies, fought at the behest of their imperial rulers. But let us understand these facts about World War One with the help of the pictures and the animated video.
Seven young Bosnian Serbs, who were part of the nationalist Black Hand, planned to assassinate Franz Ferdinand, heir to the throne of Austria-Hungary. The first attempt failed when a bomb was thrown at his car. He missed, and the conspirator was arrested. As the car carrying the Archduke went down an alternate route, Gavrilo Princip happened to be there. He shot and killed both Franz Ferdinand and his wife Sophie. This caused a crisis where Austria declared war on Serbia, and in response, Russia declared war on Austria. Other nations, obliged by their alliances, joined in, bringing the outbreak of the First World War.
World War I lasted for 4 years and 3 months, from 1914 to 1918. According to an estimate, over 10 million soldiers and 7 million civilians died in it, making it the bloodiest war in modern times behind World War II. 28 June 1914, Prince Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary Empire was assassinated by Gavrilo Princip. He was a part of the organization in Serbia who wanted to split the South Slav provinces from Austria-Hungary Empire to create Yugoslavia. Austria-Hungary takes support from German Empire and declares war on Serbia. Russia mobilizes their troops against Austria-Hungary, but Germans ask them to stop. Russia continues to support Serbia, which leads to Germany declare war on Russia. Russia asks France for help, which leads to Germany declare war on France as well. Germany invades Luxembourg and asks Belgium to allow them to pass through in order to invade France, but Belgium denies. Germany invades Belgium, which irks United Kingdom, since Belgium declared its neutrality before the war. Thus, United Kingdom declares war on Germany. Meanwhile, Montenegro declares war on Austria-Hungary and Germany. Serbia declares war on Germany. Austria-Hungary declares war on Russia. United Kingdom and France declares war on Austria-Hungary. Japan, who had close relationship with United Kingdom, declares war on Germany and Austria-Hungary. Austria-Hungary declares war on Belgium. Meanwhile, Ottoman Empire launches surprise attack on Russia. Ottoman Empire had secretly signed a pact with Germany before the start of the war. This results in Russia, Montenegro, France and United Kingdom declaring war on Ottoman Empire. Germany starts using chemical weapons and poisonous gas in the war. Germans also sink Lusitania, a British passenger cruise ship, killing hundreds of people, which outrages the United States. Italy secretly signed a pact with the Allies and declared war on Austria-Hungary and Germany. Bulgaria declares war on Serbia, and they, along with Germany and Austria-Hungary, invade Serbia. All the Allies powers immediately declare war on Bulgaria. Germany declared war on Portugal as they had good relations with UK. During Battle of Flers-Courcelette in 1916, British used armed tanks for the first time in history. Germany tries to convince Mexico to join the war. United States declares war on Germany in April 1917 as they did not want Germany to interfere with their neighboring countries. With United States joining the war, the balance shifts in Allies' favor. The first American troops lands in France in June 1917. Greece also declares war on Central Powers. Russia signs a pact with Germany to stop the war. During Second Battle of Marne in 1918, Germany suffered heavy defeat, which started their downfall. From August to November 1918, Allies launched a series of attacks on Central Powers, which came to be known as 100 Days Offensive. Bulgaria signs a pact with Allies to end the war, followed by Ottoman Empire. During second week of November, Kaiser William II of Germany and Kaiser Charles I of Austria-Hungary abdicates. Germany signs a pact to end the war. In June 1919, Germany signs Treaty of Versailles, and the world hopes that war will never return. But little did they know that this treaty itself will cause more bigger and bloodier war in next 2 decades.
Okay, as you all learnt about some of the facts about World War, let us answer some of the questions related to the situation before and during the World War. First one. Different groups of European countries which signed a treaty that if one country declares war on another, the another country would have to enter the conflict. It is called as Defense Alliance. Second one, the alliance which includes Britain, France, Ireland and Russia was called as Triple Entente. The meaning of alliance is union. They became friends. They joined with each other for the mutual benefits. Next, third one, name the alliance between Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. It's called as Central Power. What was the first trigger for the chain of events that led to the World War? That is assassination of the royal couple. Fifth one, which two countries threatened war against Serbia? Austria-Hungary. Sixth one, who sided with the Serbians? Russia sided with the Serbians. Germany declares war against which two countries soon after this? That is Russia and France. Which was the first of the many battles fought at this time? Battle of Mons. Where was the battle fought? In Belgium. I hope this section was useful for you people. Thank you. Answer the following questions related to First World War. First question. How many countries participated in World War I? Nearly 135 countries participated in World War I. Second question. How many people died in this war? More than 15 million people died in the war. Third question. How many soldiers died in the war? 3 to 8 million soldiers died in the war. Fourth question. What was the primary cause of the World War I? Difference over a foreign policy. Fifth question. Who fought against whom? Allied versus Central Powers. Allied powers versus Central Power. Allied powers include Russia, France, Britain, USA and Japan. And Central Power includes Austria-Hungary, Germany, Ottoman Empire. Sixth question. What ended the World War I officially? Treaty of Versailles. Seventh question. In which year did the World War I start? 1914. Eighth question. Which country entered the war later in 1917? United States, US. Next question. In which year did the war end? In 1918. Question number 10. Who declared that their submarines would sink any ship that approached Britain? Germany. True or false? The World War I lasted for over 4 years. Yes, it is true. The answer is true. Another name for World War I was the war to end all wars. Yes, the answer is true. The US Senate allowed, the meaning of Senate is assembly. The US Assembly allowed the United Nations to join the League of Nations. The answer is false. An explosion on the battlefield in France during the World War was heard in England. The answer is true. Plastic surgery was invented because of World War I. Yes, the answer is true. The youngest British soldier in World War I was just 16 years old. False. It is false because the youngest British soldier in World War I was 12 years old and his name is Sidney Lewis. The answer is false. Last one. Blood banks also developed during World War I. The answer is true. Thank you, students.